think we're good. I don't know though. I already set this up. Alright, I'm like I did it. Okay. Great. I think we're good. All right, so the goal for today is do like an hour and a half stream and try to begin setting up the Neovim. Solaris, how are you doing, man? Thanks, Lag, yo. Hey, are you actually back now? I mean, yeah, man, I'm streaming. Just a couple things I gotta do to set up, man. Let me check this out. Okay, I think we're good. Let me know how audio is. Pretty important. Stevie, what's Neovim? That is an IDE, man, a text editor for coding. What's special about Neovim is that it's mainly a terminal IDE, a terminal text editor. Alright, so what I've done so far is I just simply created a folder here for Neovim. Audio's great, really not peaking. Nice. I mainly want to know the music audio, as well as I have this application called Clack, so you can hear my keyboard sounds. So can you hear this? A little clack, a little creamy. Want to make sure that's set up well. What Mac do I have? I have an M3 Pro. I don't think it's Max. It's an M3 Pro. Is Max? It's not the large one. It's the smaller one. It has like 32 gigs of RAM. Pretty good one. All right. Last stream we set up Nix. Let's go ahead and focus on Vim. Okay, yeah, I do have my directory here. Now, what I want to know is what file structure do I want to go with? A single file? I did open this up to see what people usually do. So we can do a single file init Lua, or split it all into different files. I'm thinking of splitting. So, Neovim config Be a website somewhere. There you go, starting. Install user. Alright, yeah. No. I'm guessing it's this, right? Quick reference. Saving settings. I already have it running. Binary features, read Lua and Neovim. This is just a walkthrough of... I mean, I could keep this open. I mean... set up correctly, it did not. It only did this live. Do I still have Scar on the team? I do not, man. I haven't talked to Scar in a very long time. Live. Yep, there it is. Get shareable link. Yep. Yeah. Oh, it's tagging a role or like a user like that. Yeah, I get it. Last time we talked was over 4 years ago. I talked with till 2 years ago. We chatted last year, just checking up on him. Oh, you did? You talked to Scar? How's he doing? Let's see. I'm guessing we just start with an init Lua. I could look at like some examples. I did pull up someone's dot files, just some random dot files, and yeah, he starts with an init Lua that requires his folder, Lua folder, and he does this. I also do have a previous dot files that I did quite a bit ago. So I could also take a look at that. Did I do the same thing? Yeah, I required the core. That also has inits that requires the plugins. Alright, yeah, everyone's doing about the same thing. Let's see if I can, Neovim config file structure. Chat last year, just checking up on him. That's great, bro. I just want to know how they set this up. Introduction, Lua. Importing Lua modules. Modules are searched from under the directory specified in runtime path. In the order they appear. For a module foo.bar, each directory search for Lua foo bar.lua. Okay, if no files are found, the directories are searched again for a search library with a name matching Lua foo bar. I have that. So can I just require... How do we want to require? Do we want to do a folder structure? Like this? Or do everything in one file? Interesting. The thing is, if I look at like actual pre-built configurations, it's all gonna be on one file, and I don't know if I want to do that. Like lazy vim, right? It would be init.lua and there'd be, oh no. Yeah. So can I just do? Same thing I did here. Vim, init.lua. No, I went straight. Do I not have to specify it's a Lua? Why not? I want to say thank you personally. Your God and Discord bot 4 years ago got me graduated for exploring about Discord bot. I graduated 3 years ago. Thank you for your help. Oh wow, bro, that's great. What you graduate from? Not from, but like what degree? Or is this graduation university? All right, so in here we can do core and plugins, right? That's what I did before. So I can make it a core and I can make plugins, and inside core we can make a init.lua as well. Now, do I want this file structure? Do I have tree? I don't. Graduated from uni and I work at a database engineer. Dude, that is amazing, bro. Congratulations. What does your job entail? Damn, bro, you're like my childhood. How long has it been? Dude, it's been... Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way 3 years ago was your childhood. Remap plugins. Take care, Celeris. Have a great one. So this guy does it. Wonder why he does the underscore. He just requires everything in one file. And then he requires this from the plugins in his main. Okay. Same thing with this? No. Require a lazy.config. Okay, so he doesn't... How does lazy do it? How's Rust going for me? I did do a stream about Rust, didn't I, a while ago. I haven't dabbled in it that much. I kind of want to. It's just, it's a lot of overhead. It's a lot of time. Oh, that's a lot. I don't want like a simple config, you know? What's that called? There's like a widely known general config by no, I don't read that. Modern structure Neovim config. Okay. Init Lua core. So he just removes his name. You know what? I kind of like that. He just has Lua and then he makes core here. And he makes plugins here. Yeah. And he also has key maps. Oh, he named it modules. Use NV Chad. That's one of the yeah, I've seen this before. Oh, this looks cool. Yeah, I've seen this and what's the other one called? Lazy. That's the one I just showed you, and then there's something else. I feel like this, yeah, this is the one that a lot of people migrate to. Same thing, yeah. Configs, plugins. And he has everything in one. I just don't know if I want to do everything in one in it. Mappings. Do you still have a Discord server? I do indeed. I don't know if I did I do that? Did I put it on my... It's not on my description, I don't think. Where do I go with this? There we go. I mean, we can just follow this. Modules and key map, and we can make a... Oh, that's kind of complicated. Completion editor, tools, UI. No, we're good. I don't think we gotta do that. Yeah, I'm good with this. Now in here, yep, we can fix that now. How do you do this in Xioxide? Just a minus, right? Nope. a dash. I can just do it the old way. Do core. Do I have to require plugins here as well? Oh, we can do that later. Let's see what I did before. The core is just a simple init.lua that requires options and key maps. Which that just splits that up. And then plugins. This init. Oh, this is lazy. Do lazy first. And these are all my plugins that returns nothing. Okay. Okay. And then init requires lazy and core. Yep. Okay. Same thing with this slad. Plugins, remap, sets. Do you have it? It's fine. You can just copy that. So go back into Lua, into core. Let's edit Lua. Actually, let's do key maps at Lua. And what's the other thing that I used to have? Options. What do I even have in options? Oh, I got, okay. Okay, okay. You have to require I can literally just copy this. Oh yeah, I can just do options. Can I do relative? The key map's not found. In main chunk function require key map's not found. So can it not be relative? There we go. Okay. Okay. We got core plugins. And by touch lazy.lua. Let's begin with lazy. That's not how you type Neovim, but there you go. Lazy is the modern plugin manager for Neovim. Yep. Getting started. That hurts my eyes. There we go. It's a modern, okay, installation. There are multiple ways to install. Yep. The structure setup, the single file setup. Create config. Okay. So this is inside. Oh, wait, let me see how they do the single file. Yeah, I don't like that. Config and then Lua, lazy.lua. So put this in a config file or folder. It's fine, you can just copy this. You can create your plugin specs. Each file should return a table with the plugins you want to install. For more information, see structuring your plugins. Lua config plugins. Should I put this inside of my core Some users may want to split their plugin specs in multiple files instead of passing a specs table to setup. You can use a Ludro module. The specs from the module and any top level subspecs will be merged together within the final spec. Okay. Simple to add new plugins. Just create a new file with your plugins. Yep. Allowing for caching. Example. Okay, lazy. The setup plugins. Return. Okay. As part of a spec, you can add import statements to import additional plugin modules. Both the setup require lazy setup import plugins. Require lazy setup spec. Should I add lazy into core? I can complicate things. No, I can't. What am I talking about? Neovim. Let's just keep it here. Let's just keep it here. Why not? Alright, bootstrap lazy. Get a clone. The map leader. Make sure to set up map leader and map local leader before loading lazy so the mappings are correct. This is also a good place to set up other settings. No, the thing is I want to have this. I want to have this elsewhere. We can keep it there for now. Import plugins. Do I have to do core.plugins? No, it's not. It's yeah, it's a different thing. Configure other settings here. Color scheme. We can do color scheme in a bit. Oh wait, yeah. We gotta go back. Do I have to set this up? What did I do last time? I did not. See what happens when I just... No, it's blank. Error detecting. Loop or previous error loading module lazy. Function required in the main chunk. Error loading module. What do you mean? Make init a Lua. Do Loading lazy here. No, you don't. Why are you having difficulties loading lazy? Interesting. Let me out. What's... I'm in the wrong directory. No, I'm not. Yeah, I am. We're good, right? No problems there. Lazy installed. Hello, Death. How are you? Bartek. How you doing, man? I fixed it, so I have to have... I have it in my core and then have in it. I don't know if I should be doing this. Probably not. I would expect I need lazy to load. But I also want key maps to load first. Looking for an i3 widget system and app. What do you mean, my brother? Like a tiling system? Wow, there's a lot you can do with this. I want to build a widget in Rust for my desktop. I want it to be only visible on the desktop when no apps are open so that it doesn't overlap them. I see. Oh, like, yeah. So just have like an application that just runs on your desktop and there's no apps open. Got it. What is this widget gonna do? Sorry, I got confused with the i3. Where do I want lazy? Let me think about this. Maybe chat does not use. It requires the whole folder, and then he has. What is the file structure? i3 is because maybe there are some already working widget systems that I can implement mine on top of, preferably in Rust. Now I get it. Okay. Okay, okay. Yeah, widgets like on mobile. Yeah. That's cool, man. How's your Rust journey? Only dabbled on it like 2 or 3 years ago, a little bit. The widget I want is to have like a soccer league table. Okay. Oh, that sounds cool. Big soccer guy. Have a bunch of like active games or something showing up on your desktop. Sounds cool. Oh man, glad you asked. Started learning about 4 days ago. Oh, you are fresh. A fresh lad, man. That's a big undertaking. Do you have experience with any other lower level language? Or you're just like diving in it? I have a bunch of experience in programming, mainly TS, Golang, C#, and some Java. Okay, so you're diverse. So you shouldn't have problems getting into Rust, but then once you're in Rust, it's when it gets a little difficult. Been coding for 5 years. That is great. Yeah, that's a good time. That's a good amount of experience before diving into again, quote unquote complicated language like Rust. Or yeah, I would say a steep learning curve. There's this thing I want to search for. It's like a pre-existing system for Neovim. It's by a YouTuber, I believe. What's his name? I'm sure if I search Neovim, I'm gonna find who he is. Yeah. PJ. Okay, commentator. Yep. You can look at him. There's a specific thing though, right, that he wrote. Kickstart. Yep. That's right. Yep. It was not by him. Well, maybe he wrote it, or maybe he helped writing it. I'm also using it, easy to grasp and extend. Yes. Yeah, here it is. How's it set up though? I don't think I want to use a pre-existing one because I mean I kind of like having my own little setup. But it would be great if I can just look through this and see how they kickstart people usually. So yeah, set the map leader and everything, all the key maps in inits. Yeah, they have a kind of like a one file structure. It's in the README at the bottom. What should I do if I already have a pre-existing Neovim configuration? You should back it up. Yep. Installation recipes. Does Kickstart use lazy? Back 30 points. 2, 3. What if I want to uninstall configuration c lazy.vim uninstall? Yeah, they do use lazy. Why is Kickstart in a single file? Wouldn't it make sense to split all the multiple files? The main purpose of Kickstart is to serve as teaching tool and reference configurations that someone can easily use to git clone. A fork of Kickstart does this while maintaining the same functionality. It's also available here. Kickstart modular. Okay, thank you. Yep. This makes more sense. So this is simple. Yep, they set the map leader. They require options, key maps, a lazy bootstrap, and lazy plugins. Okay, let's go back. Lua. Lazy plugins, key maps, custom plugins, Kickstart, health, plugins. Okay. Yeah, so here's where they start Lua. And they just they're requiring every single plugin within this. I just don't know where I should have lazy. I mean, if I have it here and I load, if I load lazy last, I have a bit modified lazy vim file. You can check it out in my nvim config. Let me check it out. How do you go to file here? Nope. Yep. Now look at you, man. Oh, nice little readme and everything. You already 4 days in and you already established you're learning Rust. I like it, man. Config. Okay, same thing. Okay, so you split everything up into its own directory. And then you concised, did you? Config.lazy. Yep. Yeah, looks good, bro. Yeah, I'm just trying to think of a good file structure here. because you don't have key maps or options in its own directory either. You just have it out in the open. I import only the directory and all the plugins inside. Right. Right. So if I move lazy, into just out here, the thing is when I go back into the inits, oh, I typed that wrong, and I try requiring it here, it's giving me a problem. Right, it's still giving me a problem. It's still giving me a problem. You cannot find lazy. Previous error, loading module lazy. I wonder why. Is the folder? My files are. How are they messed up already, man? I just started. It's literally just init, and then we have the Lua folder, and inside the Lua folder, it's a core plugin, a core folder, and then a plugins folder. I don't think I have tree though. Yeah, I don't. And we can do this. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's like make me put lazy inside of core or a folder. I mean, I could just move everything from core into the config, right? And then move lazy into config. Sorry, move lazy into config, that lazy Lua. And then go back. If I require that, does that require the whole folder? It's first load the plugin manager and then the plugins loader. Lazy is for installing lazy Vim. Plugins is where you load the plugins from files. We are deep into it. What's up, fool? How are you doing, man? Or lady? Module core, the key map's not found. Okay. Maybe you're okay. I think I'm getting it. I'm getting it. So let's move everything out. Everything out of the config. Let's just move it out real quick. Emap stat Lua. What's else? Options. It's in there. Alright, so I have these out. Inside of config, I have just these two other files. But if I remove init, it's just gonna be lazy, right? So if I go back, went to init, do that lazy. Require. That works. So why was it not allowing me to have lazy outside of a folder? Second. Don't want to disturb. I'm just really curious. Are you a full-time software engineer? I am not currently. I mean, I don't have a position at a company as a software engineer, but my income does come from software engineering. So I halfsies to that question. I think he has like a tutorial going over the config. I don't like watching tutorials though right now. I don't have the time. I'd rather read something so I can skip, because I do know some of these things. I mean, it did work. It didn't allow me to have lazy outside of the config. So I'll deal with it. I do want to set the map leader. And then what else did he have? Local leader. Why is it 2 dashes? Where's the docs, bro? Can I just do this? Local leader is just like leader, except that it uses map local leader instead of map leader. It's used for mapping which are local to the buffer. Okay. So I mean, yeah, I could just set it the same. Why do they have it different here? Wait, go back in there. And its ways of doing things. Okay, so that's set. And we want to load them in before. So I want to probably load this in last, huh? I'm guessing. Okay. Going to lazy. Yeah. Anything else I gotta change in here? We set up lazy vim, import plugins. We do have that folder. Configure any other settings here. See the docs, color scheme. I guess we don't have any color scheme installed, so I'll just skip that. Okay. Now we're gonna install some plugins. What are the Kickstarter? What plugins do they start people with? So let me look at this. We can do keybinds later. That's probably another stream, honestly. Health plugins. Telescope, tree sitter. Which key? Tokyo Nights. Is there like a good place I can look at just like popular plugins? Let's see what you have here. You did split it into essentials, Neo Tree, Tree Sitter. I mean, I feel like we just do Tree Sitter first. Yeah, we'll just do a Tree Sitter and Vim. Mini.lua. Let's single file port of Lua. Is this it? No, this doesn't seem like it. Oh, inside your config. Oh, I thought you were talking about, because I was asking what are inside your config, like in your plugins? Yeah. Okay. I was gonna say, yeah, it would be mini Neovim. Library of 40 independent Lua modules, improving overall Neovim experience with minimal effort. They'll share some configuration approaches and general design principles. Okay, yeah, what do they have? If you're browsing with particular objective, we don't, okay. Oh, these are all like there? These are all like their own plugins. I see. I'll keep that bookmark. But I think think one of my main goals is to have like my own little setup from scratch, as the title says. Oh yeah, we can start with tree sitter. Just read up a little bit on the original tree sitter. Parse generator tools and incremental parsing library can be built and complete syntax tree for a source file and efficiently update the syntax tree as the okay. Is it video demonstration? All right, I'll take a look. Video demonstration. Video. Demo. These are color schemes. I don't see one, broski. One second. I think I saved. I did not. Okay. Yeah, okay. So I just go into plugins. I have my plugins to Lua. And should I organize this? Let's not care about it first. Invalid error detected while processing. Invalid spec plugins to tree sitter. Expected a table. Yeah. So they do this. So you just return. Oh wow, these tabs are gonna be horrific. I have to do 2 spaces for now. Yes, take that. Paste that. I probably should check what I did as well. It's probably easier. Tree sitter. Event. Buff Reddit. Build. the LTS updates. Where's back to this? Wow, they do have a lot of probably should go to the wiki, huh? Hacker lazy. Here we go. Build. Okay. And then they just have a function, and then the configs it's requiring that or add this file to your specific directory. Oh, dude, I can't wait. I should probably have done that first. Tabs. You set them up real quick. Let's go there real quick. Yeah, I had it about the same. Ensure installed. And then what do we want? We just want to have Lua for now. Do sync install false. That should be good. Test it. Error detected. Failed to load plugins to tree sitter. Okay. Expected to close at line 1. Huh? What did I do? Why am I getting an issue here? Hey, let me read this again. Error detected while processing. And the Lua failed to load plug in the tree sitter. Near local. Did I write that function wrong? No. Uh-huh. Line 7 near sink install. Dude, am I making it? There we go. Tree sitter working. Downloading. And now I got Lua. Looks nice. Interesting. Incremental selection. Wait, why did I write this before? Auto install this guy? Let me turn that on. Just a penguin, man. How are you? Wait, can I add? Oh, that's cool. All right, let's see. To customize the syntax highlighting of a capture for a language-specific highlight, append the name of the language. Incremental. I'm good. Exams are over, so I'm not doing much now. Oh, that sounds good, bro. How did the exams go? The uni exams. Indentation based on procedure for the operator. No, this is an expensive feature. Indenting was true. Wait, so if I just... That indentation is horrific. Let me go back into key maps. I don't think I want to do anything yet for... Let's just go into the options. Let's set indentation to 2 spaces for now. Hopefully good, but we'll see. Hey bro, you got it. Or you had it. Indentation. I think it's tab stop. Right? The number of spaces that a tab in the file counts for. Also see the retab command and the soft tab option. There are 5 main ways to use tabs in Vim. Always keep tab stop at 8. Okay, okay. Yeah, so I was right. And then we can do... Right. That should it's still not walking. What did I do last time? Tab stop 4. Shift with 4. Auto increments. Shift width. Shift width 2. What was the other one I did? I think okay. Now I don't know if I want a 2 tabs or a 4 tabs. Are you running those lines after typing them? I don't know what you mean. Are you running those lines after typing them? As in, I'm typing a line and it automatically runs? I am... No, not really. I'm just writing the line, saving the file, exiting the file. And since I'm doing configuration right now, I'll just go back in and make sure everything's working. So it's 2 tabs. We can do 2 tabs for now. Yeah. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. And then go back into plugins. Let's see if we have to do anything in Tree Sitter. Auto indent works. Okay, we're good. Mr. Tree Sitter. The auto indent, folding, Tree Sitter based folding, implemented in Neovim itself. Changing the parts install directory. It must be at the beginning of the runtime path, otherwise the parsers from the Neovim itself. Don't want to mess with that. Adding parsers, probably don't want to mess with that. Adding queries, adding modules. If you wish to write your own module, you need to support it. Tree Sitter language, like, okay, if I want to write my own module, extra features. You can get some utility functions with TS utils. I think we're good. You want to use git instead of curl for downloading the parsers. No. I think we're good. Oh boy. And probably... How do I check what I have installed? Come on, come on, come on. Is it like list or something? On enter command. How do I check? Yes. Module info. Yep, there you go. So we got C. Not sure why C is installed. Maybe because they needed it. I'm just gonna scroll normally. Lua, Markdown, Markdown inline, Quarry, Vim. So installed quite a few. That's fine. That's fine. Do I want to do comments on this? Let's separate them. Yeah, let's just separate them for now. Get a little easier to read. Next plugin. Where do we want to go from here? We could do some general, and this is some general configs. This is probably one that I can look at like NV chat or something, see how they do some of this stuff. All right, indenting, smart indent. Yeah, let's go into options. Let's do a little bit of options. Also do like how they had like local OPT. It's just do like yeah. They can just like delete this from them. All right, they also had smart indent is on. Smart indent. What does that do? Do smart auto indentation when starting a new line. It works for C-like programs, but can also be used for other languages. Seeing that does something like this. Works better in most cases, but is more strict. Okay. It's fine. Let's see what else. Whoa, just finished the research about widgets in i3. I'm gonna have to write a plain GTK app in Rust. Oh, there was no one with the type of idea that was... sorry. There was no one with the type of idea that I have, so I only have... The only thing I can do is read the docs. Oh. That's the UI thing, right? jtk.org? Yep. You gotta go from nothing, brother. Isn't there something related to UI elements in Rust also? Something related to this. Or is this it? Wait. Do I have it starred? No, not Tari. No, not Tari. No, what's that called? See if I can find it over here. It's the thing that Helix, the editor Helix was Helix editor. Am I being dumb? WGPU. Is this not related? Portable graphics library in Rust. Suited for general purpose graphics and compute on the GPU. Applications run natively on Vulkan, Metal, DirectX, and OpenGL. Yeah, this is what what's that? Bevy. This is what Bevy uses. Iced UI lib. Yeah, this is a graphics library, but I mean you can use this more implemented. You can definitely still build a. I mean, it depends on how graphic you could want to make your application. But I've seen a lot of people use this for just normal desktop UI. But what is this? Iced UI? Bro, I just need some text in the window. Oh, yeah, then. It's a lot of effort if you want to use. Yeah, I mean, I'm just saying, man. Wait, it's not it. Iced. What is it you guys saw? Iced UI. Iced RS. A cross-platform GUI library for Rust focused on simplicity and type safety. Oh. This looks sick. Look at that. IRC client. Dude, is there a client such like this, but for Discord? Because I would love one. I do remember seeing when I was going through the Nix packages. There was something, it's like a Discord, a terminal client. I mean, this is not necessarily the same thing. It kind of. No. So you see how this is an IRC client, basically just the same thing, but it just takes inputs from this, kind of like with this does. It's like a Discord terminal client. There's one for a TUI Discord client somewhere. Yeah, I mean, this is one right here. But I feel like this would be definitely a lot harder to navigate. The thing is that Discord, it really just, it kind of destroys my laptop. I know they like, they came up with the ARM version of it, but it's still so, it's too much. Like running Discord on a ARM chip is just too much. I think I'm thinking of the one you have right now. Yeah, Discord. Oh, there's a couple more, I think. Write only command line Discord thing, Discord RPC. All-in-one cross-platform voice and text chat for gamers. What is this? Oh, it's just a different. Okay. Discord SH. Yeah, it's just for writing. Use webport. Webport. I've heard of legport. Yeah, I looked at this up. This is it. Webport, a Discord and spacebar client implemented directly without Discord API. Interesting. Made with Electron. Dude, that's the thing, dude. Electron just... It ain't kind, man. It ain't kind to my laptop. I'll say that. Discord has gotten so bad. It really has, bro. It's so bloated. It's just like I literally just want like a client that is just text. Literally how this is right here. Something like this that represents Discord in a way. If that exists, that would be so helpful. Because I don't use most features. I edit text, I send text, and I join voice chat every once in a while, and that's it. But something simple like this that doesn't use a lot of resources, doesn't have all the bloat, I would love that. Visually, what I'm basically saying is just something that looks like this, but on Discord. It just removes all the bloat. Discord with splits would be life changing. I agree. That would be great. Like a stripped version of Discord. Yeah, like a very stripped version of Discord. Something you can actually have running in the background and not implode your computer. Backslash, how you doing, man? Just wanted to thank you for launching my software career. That Discord bot I made was one of my first ever programming projects. Dude, that's great, brother. I'd love to see it. I hope you're doing well in your endeavors, Backslash. Oh, we were seeing, was this... Oh, dude, actually, this is actually really cool. I'm gonna start this. Is ice stable? I'm guessing it's not. Or it is. Kind of. A local AI chat powered by Rust. This is cool. Very cool, very cool. Oh yeah, what's webcore? I mean, this kinda does it. Also, I've seen this leg pour, which is kind of a... It has vent cord, equicord, and shelter in their features. It's kind of the same thing, but I feel like this is geared a little bit more towards ARM chips. I think it's pretty stable. I mean, it looked like it. Definitely wasn't a big red box saying it's not stable. Alright, let's see. Indenting. Ignore lowercase. Interesting. Ignore lowercase. What does that have to do with indenting? Or is that just a separate? Ignore case. Webcore is just a Discord webpage with none of the desktop app stuff. Oh, okay. That's nice. That's a step forward. I'm literally just gonna have this right here. There you go. Simple. That's for search settings. Okay. Not sure why I didn't have a little comment here. So we can do that. Mouse. What does it mean by mouse? Is this just not on? It's just on by default? What's wrap? What did I do? Wrap. Warp, sorry. No, wrap. When on lines longer than the width. Oh, yeah. I know what that is. Yep. We can have that on. That's just this. Is that line wrapping? Or am I? I'm guessing that's line wrapping. Numbers. Clipboard, just look at this, what they do. Yeah, they have comments and everything. Don't show the mode since it's already in the status bar. What do you mean don't show? What does this mean? Don't show mode? Insert. Insert. Visual. Enable breaking dance, save undo history. Case sensitive searching. Yep. Keep sign column on by default. Decreased update time. Let me try this. That's a very simple make line numbers defaults. Yeah. So did I have it on before? I did. Okay. Then relative by one relative. Okay, alarm wrapping worked. I don't know what a cursor line does. What did that change? Oh, I see. Interesting. Don't know what I want. Do I want cursor line? Yeah, I guess that could be helpful. Do that too. I think we're good. Back to plugins we go. Next. I don't want to get into LSPs just yet. Should do a fuzzy finder, like telescope, planary. It's one I need the dependency. Question is I have yeah, I'm thinking, because isn't there a plugin, because I have FCF, right? Isn't there a specific plugin that can replace telescope using FCF, and is that even worth it? What's called, like, FCF engine? Telescope will use FCF. Will it? Oh. Then that's definitely the move. We suggest you install one native telescope sorter to significantly improve sorting performance. Take a look at either this, or they say all the way down here. Related projects. Okay, they're related somehow. Okay. This is a C chord of implements new functions to support calculating score. Is this? Is this just a port of? Wait, so this won't use FZF. It's a port, or am I thinking this wrong? Ripcrap 2? Yep. Alright, let's just get started, and we'll work it out on the way. Telescope at Lua. FP call required telescope the load extension or FCF in my config. Okay, let me get to it. Do I need the tag? Is it? Can I just do this? Or not that, yeah, no. I'm thinking of this wrong. Don't use tag, use the branch. That's what I did before. Yeah, you're right. I was getting a little confused because I did this before, but yeah, I don't want the tag. I want the branch. Spinza, how you doing, man? What is Neovim? It's just a text editor, an IDE, sort of. It can be an IDE, the text editor. Dependencies is plenary. Should I make a separate file for plenary, or should I just add it? Because this will auto-install it, if I'm correct. Right? Do I need a config for this? Or it just sits by itself? No, yeah, we're good. Yeah, it auto installs. Yeah, I don't think I need any. You don't have one for plenary? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Because I don't have one either. I was just checking if there's a, I don't know, maybe a configuration you can do with it, but no, it just looks like it's straight up just a dependency that they need. All right, that's cool. Spencer, cool. I've been learning how to code. Great, bro. What are you up to? What you doing in your coding adventures? Oh, I had a lot of things. Yeah, I had a FCF native.mvim, build make, web devicons, telescope UI select. That's a lot that I had. I don't know what I need. Trying to make a game. Ooh, what game? Not one game. Sorry, I don't want to get low. But what are you using to make the game? What a game engine, bro? Hey, what type of game? Dota? Great engine, great engine. Good start. Do I want to name this configs? Yeah. A 2D rail shooter. What is that genre? Rail shooter? Also known as on-rail shooters, a subgenre of shoot 'em up video game. I have no idea what a rail shooter is. I mean, this looks sick. Beginning with arcade games such as Space Harrier. The gameplay locks the player. Locks the player into a set path, allowing for a limited or no divergence from it in a similar manner to a theme park Dark Ride. It's just like a roller coaster shooter. Or like an arcade shooter. I see, I see. Use the wrong term, like Galaga. Ah. Yep. Oh, that's a dope project, bro. Great way to learn. Penguin, do you have it set up with a FZF, right? Or no? Nah, Rip Grab because it's a little faster. Interesting. Very interesting. Just switch RG with FCF if you want to use FCF. Okay. That's the port. What's the native? No, this is it. I'm just gonna copy what I had here and build it with make. It is native. Which is the same thing here. Is a condition used to determine whether this plugin should be installed and loaded. Interesting. I want to try it before I install it, see how it goes. Yeah. Let's put the keybinds here. Okay, let's scope. Key maps. We want a built-in, right? Alright, which ones do we need? Probably just the find files for now. So we just do Vim, Emap, set normal mode. just do leader FF telescope built in to find files. Yes, sir. And then, don't want a description. Yeah, why not? Telescope. Find files. Not found. I just name it built in. Wait. Thing. Files. I like keeping my key maps that require a plugin in the plugins folder so that nothing goes wrong if the plugin isn't installed correctly. Yeah, I'm starting to see if that's just the optimal. I mean, I do like how it's just all in one file. Yeah. I guess trying to load it before it loads lazy to install telescope. I see. I mean, that does make sense. Key maps gets loaded first, I'm guessing. But don't you need the leader? Don't you need the leader before you load lazy? Yo, Blake, you just start over, bro. I haven't gotten far, brother. A lot of reading. So wait, so you need, oh wow, so you need the key maps for leader before lazy, but then in this file I would need a keybind after lazy. I mean, can I just not just, what if I just said leader here and be done with it? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Just load it, the leader first. But then again, dude, I'm so like I would just, I don't know, bro. It's like this OCD or something. It's just like I want everything in one file, specifically for that, like all the key maps in that one file. Let me think. Might just have to suck it up and be done with it. Come back later if I do want to just be perfect with it. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah. Nope. I'm the opposite. I want all the key maps in the same file they relate to. That's a way. I mean, it does make sense. If I just have everything, if I need a key map, I would just go to that file, the plugins file, and then just there. That key map's set in almost every file. No, I just thought about it. I just can't. It just feels wrong. You could just have a file with all your key maps and just go there and then just search for what you need. Well, I'm just gonna try this and see if that was the problem. What was the other one? Local map, local leader. Now I'm just perplexed. I use telescope to search from key maps. You need to do this before loading stuff. Oh, you're right. Yeah, you're right. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Oh. I don't think that'll. It's okay. Map leader, invalid option. I'm typing this wrong. What was it again? Dude, what was it again? I'm brain freezing. Map leader. I think I'm actually kind of dumb. It's not an option. And you're right. I'm gonna do that. There we go. There we go. It's not an option. Okay. So it did fix it. And if you go back in here. Okay. There it is. Now let's try adding the FZF. See what I did before. And I guess I also do this this web. How does this look? Yeah, the web icons. Alright, we can just add this. I probably need make, right? I need make. Yep. Alright, see, Penguin, I did this before. This was my old config. Oh, the key maps are here. And I was done with it. And I don't know, I wanna organize it a little more. Telescope UI select. Is that needed for... And I did have that before. And then the webcons, web devcons. Then we set up the defaults, and then yep. You just copy this. Extensions, we do that, and then we do I feel like that's so disorganized. The P calls. Yep, I'm just gonna copy those as well. Anything else I need to set up here? Okay, we got UI select. Oh, the webcons. Is there anything I gotta do? No, I don't think so. Do I enable these in my setup? I don't, right? In my config. Do I enable them outside? Yeah, it looks like it. I don't think anything goes outside the function. Does it not? How else would it be ran? Wait, am I thinking? You're right. Yeah, you're right. I'm just being dumb. It was not it was this. It's because I had it before with the setup here. Unless I also need that. No, yeah. Dude, I'm just lost. I'm so lost. I forgot to do the setup. That's what was confusing me. Okay. Anything else? I mean, let's just try running it. Okay, okay, that's looking nice. We want to do. What are some of the keybinds do this guy have? Find files, built-in, rep string, live grab, diagnostics, resume. FS for live grab. And is there anything else? I'm probably gonna find different uses as I go along. I've never used Neovim since I spent eons mastering my mouse skills. Yeah, bro. You got any mouse buttons? Gotta bind those mouse buttons, bro, to something. Find word local. Do it here. Mouse for silicon programmers. That's true. That do be true. Space FF. Buffer string. I don't know what else I would probably need. I don't want to diagnostics, resume, old files, search reason files. Okay, that's important probably. And I had that add FR. FR. Find, it's called old files. My Nick store. I think we're good for now. There's some stuff here about default behavior and themes. Then we have it's possible to pass additional configurations, live grab for information, particular keys. Get files built in and resume are also useful. Search resume. What does resume do? I wonder what that does. We have FS. Just depends on the last search. Resume. Last search. Let me see what this does. No, okay. Key maps, okay. So if I search for options, it's just the last search. Get files built in, and yeah, okay, so with get files. I would probably set that up later when I said I don't even have any Git stuff in this computer yet. All I did was remove that stupid Apple Git or whatever, and I used Nix to install the latest version. That's all I've done for Git. I haven't set anything else up. I could just write a little note. I want to find a theme that is sort of transparent. Or is that something I could enable directly somewhere? Yeah, I probably want to set up a theme next. The question is, what theme? My thing, I need to set it during the plugin setup. What do you mean the plugin setup? Like, you mean like in Lazy? I know I have to set one up in Lazy. Cappuccino is definitely a popular one. It's actually what I'm using for the terminal, but I have it transparent, so. Trending color schemes, Vim color schemes. Cappuccino, Kanagawa, Tokyo Nights, Night Fox, Nord, I know Nord, Monokai. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, that's what I had before. I'm just wondering, is that like theme dependent, the transparent mode? Because I had one called night something before. You can just do exactly what you're saying, transparent mode. It was true. No idea, yeah. Because I don't think if I search cat poo, how do you spell this? Cappuccino, transparent, and Vim. I'm just go Reddit. So cappuccino looks great with transparent background. So I wonder. Yeah, I'm a nub. Machine maintainer here. Your lazy config is wrong in 2 different parts. Function code should be. Okay. Yep, they have a transparent background. Okay, let me try cappuccino. Why not? Why not? Roof box is goated. Check it out. Roof box. Retro groove. Is this it? Is this what you're talking about? Okay. And that does look nice. Kanaga, I can't say that. Kanagawa paper. Let's see what you're using. I've seen this as a very popular one. Well, not the paper version. What's the paper version? Remix with muted colors. But I found some of the colors of the dark themes a bit too bright. Good too. I mean, I don't really care much about the background, I would say. If it's gonna be transparent. I use the Ellison Leo. That's a nice theme. Yeah, this is a nice theme. Transparent, okay, it does have transparency. Yeah, I'll follow you, Bartek. Let me try this out. All right, so just copy this. If you're running a completely transparent video with a brighter theme though, do you think I should just run the regular version? I mean, I think you're right. I should definitely. I don't want my colors to be too dim. If there's no background to help it out. Okay. I have it set up in my config under Lua plugins essentials. Bar. I think I closed here. I think I did. Yeah, I did. I mean, let me just. I know I needed nope. I need to set up here. It's just the name, right? That's what it was. Okay. I'll check it out. Yeah, there you go. Oh, look at that. You were a cappuccino guy, huh? Oh, look at that. You were a Gruff Mice guy, huh? Oh, look at that. You were the original, huh? Yeah, I mean, do I have to set it up here as well? Let me just set it up here first. Kanagawa. Yeah, I've been playing around a bit in the past. Now settled for the goated theme. It's a big standard, bro. You don't set it up in lazy, so I mean, there's an option right there for it. So, just a little confused. I think I've set it up every time I haven't done it much, but on my previous configs, I've definitely set it up like that. You only load the plugin and no need to change the background scheme in the lazy file. Okay. I mean, that's a lot. Where is this? No, it's not what I see. How'd you set up the... Yeah, lazy fall and priority, that's what I... I didn't set anything up. Configs. I just set it up. Am I reading this wrong? I need to like memorize. Also, dude, isn't it idiomatic in Lua to do a this type of string instead of the doubles? Or is that what most people prefer? I can't get it right. I'm always doing the wrong one. bro, no. I'm pretty sure last time I actually read anything out on Lua was like 2 years ago, and I'm pretty sure that was like a thing that you want to use these single quotation marks, unless I'm just talking out of my butt. So the transparent equals true. The standard is the single, the double is better. Yeah. What you're trying to do only works for the telescope tree sitter thing. Oh, down the hill. Don't do configs. Wait, I'm confused. What do you mean don't do configs? What are you trying to do only works for the telescope and tree sitter thing? I have an example commented out. Am I doing this wrong? I'm confused. At the bottom, are you talking about this? Line 75, okay. Yes. That's what we call the setup of a plugin after you set it up. Right, but you said I'm doing... What here am I doing wrong? Do I not do configs and then set it up? I mean, I'm straight up just following this. Just set up, and then down here you set the color scheme. Setup must be called before loading. That's what they have here. Additional line, no need for that. What do you mean? What do you mean? Additional, like, is this not needed? All these, I mean, I'm just doing like the transparent. My brother, you are losing me, my brother. Oh, you're talking about, okay. Okay. Should I not be doing this? Oh, yeah. Yeah, but I'm... Right. But I've been doing it this way. Of setting up this first. Configs. And then the setup. Is that... If I look at like a tree setter, it's the same thing. Oh. I mean, it's not... I didn't put local. So, I mean, you're kind of right. Yeah, I can one line it. I understand. Yeah. But you're right. I mean, I could go change that for every other order. even write local here either. If I one line it, be the same thing. You're right, you're right. Sorry about that. Oh boy. Mystery setter, and I can just do the same thing here. I mean, I knew this is how you're supposed to do it, or how some people do it. I don't know, I just got used to just doing the separate variable. Alright, back to it. I am new to Neovim though, I will say, or Vim in general. I think I started just messing around with it like 4 months ago. So it's still not ingrained, you know? It's a little bit of work, just a little bit. Where's there? Oh, there it is. Which one is this? Maybe a bit earlier. That's cool. Dragon. The dragon. Team Dragon. Map the value of background option to a theme. Try dragon. Wait, so you need theme. A load wave theme when background option is not set. And then you map the value of the background option to a theme. Try dragon. Oh, okay. Dark equals dragon. And if I quit, come back. Kana. Oh, like I can't even spell, brother. No spelling for me. Kanagawa. Why is that such a hard word for me? What the heck is this? I mean, I do like how it looks. Why is the sidebar black? I have to change it a little bit. A pretty handy plugin for managing code formatters is Conform. Take a look. Wonder why that sidebar is not transparent. The numbers. Wow, okay. The border is also a little weird. I think it's the theme just being broken. Well, I don't want a broken theme. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. I would definitely not want it like that, but either way, even if it's transparent, those numbers. Huh. If I were to nitpick, I would say that it should be Vim.cmd, the color scheme. But I'm not gonna, since I don't want to nitpick. Why should it be like that instead? I mean, for the penguin, for that option, I just straight up copied it from here. Oh wait. You're right, because that would be invoking the Lua function, right? But this looks nice. I like how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see exactly how I'm looking at it because I have the retina display, but it looks very sharp and smooth with the background. I just don't know what to do with the side numbers. Why is that just like... The Streamlabs Sport 720? Yes, correct. The reason why is because I had to, if you come here, if I show you, I have to downscale to 1600 by 900. Because that's what YouTube and Twitch wants. A 16 by 9. My Mac is 16 by 10, so I don't think I'm allowed the 1080. But normally I would run it at either 1512 by 982 or 3024 by 1964. Either way, it looks really nice. How do I fix that? How do I fix the side? Terminal colors true. Define colors palette, wave, locus, dragon, override function. It's not a monitor. This is straight up my laptop resolution. I'm streaming. I do have a 1080 monitor. I have it sideways. It's behind me, and that's for my. It's for my I don't. Okay. The 1080 is sideways, and I have it in the back, and then I'm actually using the actual MacBook screen, and that's what I'm using here. This is what it is. It would look horrible. I don't know if I want to try this, but if I switch this to the biggest resolution, it would be like this, right? So it's really big. That probably messed up my whole entire stream, but really small. But that's the 30, 34, almost, what is that? 1440, almost 4K. And then normally I would do this, but it's really weird for the aspect ratio. So I have to go and work with it to display the 16:9, which is this. Didn't mess up with the text is really small. Yeah, it's makes everything super small. Either way, how do I go about fixing this? Scroll down in the readme to remove gutter background. BG gutter equals none. This is inside colors, theme, all UI. Let me try that. Makes sense. The theme? Colors. Colors. Theme. Theme. All UI. BG underscore gutter equals none. I don't like when it makes people so complicated. It's just a bunch of colors. I don't like it either. Just keep it simple for me. What was that? Okay. All right. I gotta freaking. That closes that. That closes that. That closes that. That closes that. Dude, I'm just gonna copy this. Oh, dude. Looks exactly the same as what I had. Why was that is that a comma mistake here? That was a comma mistake there. Okay, okay. Telescope still looks horrible. That's a step up. There is a telescope here. Transparent floating windows. This will make floating windows look nicer with default colors. You like to keep the floating window darker, but you're happy with how borders are trying to render using character search. Borderless telescope. And there's a lot of okay. The borderless telescope. Well, let's do one thing at a time. It doesn't fix telescope, but floating point looks nicer default browsers. Borderless telescope. How does lazy look? Okay. I kind of don't want, I'll be honest, the extra windows to be transparent, because that would probably look horrible with the background code. Unless there's some way I could do, when I do a window like this, that the background is just like blurred. That'd be nice. Okay, so that does remove transparency. What about lazy? Does that have solid borders? I mean, yeah, I think so. Interesting. I'm really not sure what this function here does for the... Block like a modern telescope UI. I need to merge those two together. If you say so. Would make a little sense, wouldn't it? the content, not the return? Yeah. Yeah. I still need these in the return, I'm guessing. Still a little bit of... I'll be honest, I don't know how I want my telescope to look if the transparency... If I have transparency on my, on the actual, terminal. I'm having a hard time imagining how this could look. How I would want this to look. Because, I mean, this is not... What I have right now is not pretty. I mean, I guess it works. I feel with lazy, I feel like lazy's not even taking the... Is that the same color? Can't even tell if this is the... This kind of does look like the... Let me see. Let's do false. That feels like it does match it more. It does have like a shadow, I think. I mean, this was fine. You have my telescope with transparency and a rounded border. Do you have your actual terminal transparent? How does it look? How does the telescope look if it's transparent and there's stuff in the back? Yeah. One second. The stuff in the back doesn't show. Telescope blocks off the text behind it. How does it block off if it's transparent? How does what do you mean? Does it blur it out? Because I'm guessing, like, I can see my code in the back right now. And if telescope was transparent, wait. How did that look when it was transparent? I'm forgetting. Telescope is transparent and telescope is at the top. I don't think it can be seen. They do a multi-line comment and what? I've been doing Nicks for so long. I forgot. Is it something like this? I completely forgot. Yeah, I remember now. Is that not... Nothing's wrong? Seems right. Don't break. I wonder why this is not turning. Oh, now it is. And you're right, I can't see the thing in the back. You are right. Now I wonder how I can remove the dark and keep the text, but remove the dark edges. No, this would make it normal. I don't know how. I copied borderless telescope, right? Just straight up copy it, and if I remove the comments, right, I save and I exit, it's just normal now. I mean, this is supposed to say right here, transparent floating windows, and we have a lazy. Only the lines with border. Keep the others default, only lines with border. In a minute, you might be a genius. I'll just comment that out. Unfortunately, no. What about lazy though? Lazy is fully transparent. See, now that I look at this, I don't know if I really like that though. Maybe I do. kind of do. Okay, let's go prop border theme. Okay, remove the border text. Let the border background. Yeah, I see what you mean. Dude, I'll be honest, I don't even like having any of this. Normal float, background none. Wait, let's just remove all that. Keep it basic. Still has the thing. That looks fine. Set the PG fields to new. Let me go back here. Wait, what do you mean in to none? Okay, I get it. So if I literally just grab all this, but either way, even if I don't have any of these, right? It's still like this everything is off, and this is how it looks. Right, so I need to learn some more keybinds. Also, I don't like the highlight now is so transparent. I can see it when I go like here, but Highlighting shouldn't have any transparency. I mean, I don't know if it does. Maybe it's just the background. That's the limitation of the terminal. It's not transparent. Like, I can see it, but it's just hard to see here. Maybe because of the background. Like, you can definitely see it here. Let me try that. They're all off. Okay! Genius! Genius! Again, I don't know if I'm crazy about it being transparent, but it looks better than it was before. I don't like the text box color though. Oh, the one down here? Yeah, yeah. Prompt. FG UI. Was it the border? BGM1? Okay. There we go. I wonder what would happen if I change my wallpaper. Does that look better? I feel like it was so... I didn't find a great wallpaper or something. In Mac, I wonder, is there like a wallpaper engine in Mac? Why not? If you want to set lazy to have a border too, you need to do that in your lazy config. That is good to know. I don't love a border. Dude, I'm really liking this nerd font that I have. It's the hack nerd font. Great. Great nerd font. Very crisp. Maybe blue's not the way. What do it look if I do this? This fits more of the theme, I would say, purplish. Keep it at that for now. UI border single and lazy. A border single? Wow. It's nice. No, I don't like how the color... To be honest, I kind of like this lazy color more. Whatever color they're using for that border. It's 10:30. Wow, dude, I've been doing this for 4 hours now. What do you think? You like this border color? Or the lazy border color? You know, like lazy, just more gentle. Kind of like ladies more? Yeah, I agree. So how would I change the telescope one? How can I get what lazy is? Like, what is this? What is this using? I'm looking at it, run, it looks better than signal for lazy to match telescope. Is there a way to make telescope match lazy though? UI border none. The border that's used for the UI accepts same border values as Neovim open win. What is this? Opens a new heights. That's a lot. What's the size? There's no border color or something here. Am I reading this wrong? One second. Yeah, I'm kind of getting a little tired, bro. Just gonna do like a to-do thing. Config files to do. I don't know. What is this? Configure telescope and lazy border. Let me just do that for now so I don't forget. Hi, broskies. Penguin man, it's almost 11, bro. It's almost midnight. I'm going to bed. I'll be off. Thanks for the help, man. I appreciate it. If you have Penguin, if you have your dot files like in GitHub, I would love to see them. If you don't, that's chill. You're linking now? Oh, great, bro. Thank you. Gonna take a peek. Neovim is in .config. I was working on it while you were here. Dope. Dope. Wait, you sent a link? I didn't see this. I didn't get no link. I got no link, man. Is YouTube blocking it or something? I'm trying to see. I don't have any moderation. Like I don't have moderation activity. Like I have that off. Timestamps. Moderation activity will be shown. Wait, try setting it again. If I have motivation activity, see that? Muting moderation. Automatic filters. Oh, it literally includes Nightbot automatically here. What? Did that work? No, it didn't. What is this? Yeah, I'm just gonna, can I just make you a moderator so you can send it? Go to channel, pin message, put user in timeout, add as moderator. Alright. Oh yeah, that works as well. There we go. Yep. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Back. Go back. Oh. Looking at you, bro, with 28 commits. Config Neovim. Wait, is this are you running a Windows? Linux? Mac? Okay, you start off kickstart. Nice, Arch Linux. Oh. You're fancy, boy. You're fancy. This looks clean. Oh, there it is. All the key maps. Let's see. I do need to do this. I gotta do this tomorrow. Tree sitter. I think that's all I really truly need. I guess the LSPs as well. As we wrote it a few weeks ago while I was procrastinating studying for exams. That's kind of what I'm doing right now. It's a project I need to work on, but I decided to just rewrite. I mean, I mainly didn't even use Neovim, but I wanted to rewrite it before I start using it and learning it actually in depth. Alright, well, this looks nice. Here, I'll give you a follow. There you go, you earned a follower. Oil is great, but check it out. Yeah, I'll check it out quickly. What do you mean by oil? Is that like a... Oh, is that you talking about a plugin? Are you talking about like one of your products? Projects? Oil that Vim. A Vim vinegar file like Explorer that lets you edit your file system like a normal Vim buffer. Okay. This looks nice. Looks nice. Check it out. Oh, dude, I'm wasted. Alright, Penguin, take care, man. Ciao,